Hi guys, so today we'll be discussing how I calculate my attendance register to give us a total number of children every day and every week in my class. So here we have just an example. So we have the names of the children all written out here. Started off writing their surname first in capital letter, then their names. This row is the admission number. This row for status. This row is for age. This is for status. This F signifies they were enrolled in as fresh pupil. They were not transferred pupil. This school where I work have other sister schools. So any child coming from any of the sister school into this place, that learner is termed a transfer pupil. All right, so this place is for kids with disability or handicapped kids. Now, this row, if you look at it, you see we have Mondays through to Fridays. Now, each of these signifies that the child is present. The child is present. Now, this row is for the first day of resumption. For every child who is not in school at the first day of resumption, we do not mark that child present. Like this number 12, which is this child, Rejoice. He was not in school at the first day of resumption, so we leave that place blank. Same with this person. This person couldn't come till Friday. Sorry, couldn't come till the next week. That's the following week. And that's where we started marking him. Same with this other person. This person did not resume till the following week after resumption. So that is how. Now take a look at this 00. It simply means this person was absent both in the morning and in the afternoon because each of these row, each day is having two boxes, morning and afternoon. So it might be possible that a child was not able to come to school in the morning but was present in the afternoon. This side will be marked. This side will be marked. But if a child did not come to school at all, either morning or afternoon, he or she gets this sign, which is the 00 sign. So I don't know if you understand this, but that child gets the 00 sign for being completely absent. Or when a child is just absent only in the morning, he gets one stroke and gets a zero here because the child was absent in the morning but was present in the afternoon. I've seen cases of children who probably because they went to passport office or they had to go to the hospital and they couldn't make it in the morning, but they were around in the afternoon. We give them a stroke here, meaning they were present in the afternoon. Now, down here, what will come down to this place over here, this gives us a total sum of each attendance per day. So it means on Monday, 11 pupils were in school. On Tuesday, 13 pupils were in school. On Wednesday, 12 pupils were in school. Thursday, 13 pupils were in school. Friday, 13 pupils were in school. So addition of all of this gives us this. So morning and afternoon gives us the same, and it must be the same score, except if a child was not in school in the morning and was in school in the afternoon, or vice versa. So having gotten this, we add these two together to give us a particular figure. Now, the number of row, it means in my class I have 7 boys and 6 girls. So addition of 7 and 6 gives us a 13. So must adding 62 with this 62, getting a particular number, times multiply it by 100. Then divide it by addition of these two number and times 10. I'll take that again. Addition of 62 and 62 times 100 divided by addition of 7 and 6 times 10. Now, that 10 signifies that in a week, a child must be in school 10 times. Look at this row. This box is 2. So it gives 1 stroke and 2 strokes. So that means for Monday, it must be 2. Tuesday 2, Wednesday 2, Thursday 2, Friday 2, making a total of 10. So that is the 10 we are using to multiply the addition of boys and girls in my class. So by the time we are done, it's going to give us an average attendance of 68. All right. So each week, each week has its own score. So this is week 1. I got 68. For week 1, 68, week 2, 83, week 3, 100, week 4, 98, week 5, 98.4, and on and on and on like that till we get to the final week, which is week 14 here. Now, for the week where we go for our midterm break, there is no score for it. That's why this row is actually empty. And it was marked to show that nobody was in school and my records are actually right. So it was marked. Now, over here, you'll see that this is a collation of all from week 1 through to week 14 when school resumed or when school was open. These were all the number of times school opened, and these were all the total attendance for each week of the school, except on the 8th, which was our midterm break. All right? So, when we are done, we calculate the total attendance of in the term. That is addition of every number here. Now, let's look at this. These weekly totals, you have to add up or check every pupil who actually came to school throughout the week. So for this first person, he was in school 10 times the week. That's through Mondays to Friday. The person was in school. Same with this person, and on till probably one day of the week he or she was not in school. And this, but on the week 8, which was our midterm break, the roll is blank, as you can see. So by the time we calculate all of this, it gives us a total attendance for the term. All right? So this total attendance for the term, we bring it down here. Add everything up, it gives us this. Now, what is the number of times school open? That is the addition of the tenths, the time school open, excuse me, per term. The addition is what we get here. And then the average attendance, we divide this with this. So we are dividing 1958 with 136 to give us an average attendance for the term. Now, here we have the total number of boys and the total number of girls. So every boy in my class, you add up their number to give you a total number of this. And every girl in my class, you add up their numbers to give you a total number of this. Now, the trick here is that this and this must be the same with this. So it means the total number of attendance in this term must be the same with this. So that means if you add up this and this, it must give you the total number here, which is this number. So if you add up 1064 and 894, it must give you 1958. If it's not giving you this number, then there is a problem. Either your calculation is wrong or you omitted something. There is a problem with your record marking. So whatever you do, total number of boys and total number of girls must be in semblance with this. Same here. So the addition of all of this must be in a semblance with this. It must be the same with this. Okay, so I hope I've been able to explain well to the best of my understanding about this. So I would love that we send our comments the comment section, ask questions for verification and for clarification. And don't forget to like, to share, and to subscribe. And also to comment. Thank you very much, guys.